welcome back to the Point video time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can drag and drop items in Python. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is import pygame and random. If you do not have it, just open up your terminal, type pip install random, and then after that, you can just type pip install pygame. So after you install random, so sorry about that. You can just go ahead and type pip install pygame, and requirement already satisfied is because I already have it. So you can just download it and you'll be ready. So the first thing that you need to do is create our screen width, width and height. And before that, you need to initialize pygame. So pygame.init. Now you need to make our screen width and height. So window screen width is equal to 700. Screen height is equal to 450. Now the next thing that we need is our screen. So our screen is equal to pygame.display. Screen width and screen height. Now the next thing is you need your caption. So pygame.display.set underscore caption is dragging and dropping. Now the next thing you need is an active box. So our active box is equal to none. And then after that, we need to create a list of boxes. So boxes is a normal list. And now for I in range 5, x is equal to random.randint 50 and 700. And then after that we have another one called y is equal to random.randint around 50 to 350. 50 to 350. Now the next thing that you need is your another box. So random.randint 35 to 75. Sorry. And then h is equal to random.randint of 50 to 175. And now the next thing that you need is box is equal to pygame.Rect x, y, w, and h. Next is boxes dot append box. Now I'm just going to be putting in run is equal to true, and after we put in that, while run screen dot fill turquoise so the spelling is turquoise 1. And then after that we need to put in for box in boxes, for box in boxes,
pygame.draw.rect our screen, and a purple box, and then beside it we need box. Now we can go back to the same indent as screen.fill, the indent, not the line, the indent. And then after that, putting for events in pygame.event.get if event.type. Let's just create our screen window real quick. So pygame.quit, then run is equal to false, and then pygame.quit. So if we run this, so it is saying that module object is not callable. Oops, I think what is the problem? So we will go through this. So first let's code in everything. So for event, let's create another event.type is equal to pygame.MOUSEBUTTONDOWN if event.button, so sorry about the caps, if event.button is equal to 1 for number and box in enumerate boxes, then what we need to do is just put in if box dot collide point is event.pos, then active box is equal to num. Okay, so now we got that. Okay, so let's come here, and I forgot to put that on line number 20 where I am right now in the for I in range 5. I accidentally put the R small. Please put the R to caps. And now the error is done. So now that we have that, we can create another event, and that event is called, wait a second, it is not called, wait a second, okay. So we got the screen.fill and we have this correct and everything else. Okay, so now the next thing that we need is if event dot type is equal to pygame dot mouse button up. Then after that, what we need to do is if event dot, so if event dot button is equal to 1, then what we just need to do is active box is equal to none. And now we need one more And now the last one is that if event.type is equal to pygame.MOUSEMOTION, if active box, so if active box is not equal to none, then what I need to do is boxes active box dot move underscore IP event dot rel. So yes, and yeah, that's basically it. So sorry. So let's control C. Um, okay, let's just create a new PowerShell and delete this and run this. So you can see that there is obviously an error. So is there an error anything over here? Nope. I think it's just taking a long time to load and everything. So have we missed anything? So everything is okay. Let me check. So we have our pygame.init, screen width, screen height. Let's just put the width to 800 instead. So let's just erase it. Let's just put the width to 800. We have our caption, we have our set mode, we have active box, we have boxes for I in range 5, we have some random.randint. I just want to change this value, so it's up to you. And 65. So now pygame.Rect and then boxes.append box. Run is equal to true while run screen.fill TORQUOISE1 for box in boxes, so it's in the same line. Pygame.draw.rect screen purple box. So in the screen, I want to draw a purple box. Now for event in pygame.event, if event type mouse button down, if event.button is equal to 1 for number and box and enumerate boxes. If box.collidepoint is event.pos, active box is equal to num, and then we got all of this and it's in the pygame.event, so run will be equal to false. And one thing I forgot to add is right over here pygame.display.flip. Okay, this thing is just glitching, so let me just delete this and run this again. And now you can see that we have gotten everything. So thank you, see you in the next video, and bye.